Now question number 7, and here is given a, that is first term is 8, an, that is last term is 62, and sn, sum of ap is 210, and here we need to find n, that is number of terms, and d, that is common difference. And here last term of this ap has been given, so we can use this formula Sn equal to n by 2 a plus a n. Now Sn is equal to 210. 210 equal to n by 2, a equal to here 8 plus an equal to 62. Now 210 equal to n by 2 as it is into, and after adding here we obtain 70. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 35s are 70. Okay, now let's solve over here. 210 equal to n into 35, and again 210 and this 35 comes to LHS over here equal to n, and 35 can divide 210 by 6 times. So finally here we obtain n equal to 6. Now we have to find d. Okay, for that we can use this formula a plus n minus 1 into d equal to a n. A equal to we have 8 plus n equal to we have just obtained 6 minus 1 into d equal to an equal to we have 62. Now 8 plus, and here 6 into d, 6 d minus into plus minus, and 1 into d, 1 d equal to 62. Now here 6d minus 1d, 5d equal to 62, and this plus 8 goes to RHS and becomes minus 8. Now finally we obtained d equal to, okay, 62 minus 8, 54, and this 5 also goes to RHS over here. Now d, that is common difference, is 54 by 5. This is our final answer. Now question number 8, and here is given an, that is last term is 4, d, that is common difference is 2, sn, that is sum of this ap is minus 14, and here we need to find n, that is number of terms, and a, that is first term. Okay, let's find over here, and students, we have formula a plus n minus 1 into d equal to a n. Now a plus n minus 1 as it is into d equal to we have 2 equal to an equal to we have 4. Now a plus 2 into n, 2n plus into minus and 2 ones are 2 equal to 4. Now a equal to, okay, here firstly this minus 2 goes to RHS and becomes plus 2 and will be added to 4, then we obtain 6, and this plus 2n also goes to RHS and becomes minus 2n. So a equal to, here we have obtained 6 minus 2n. Suppose this is our first equation. Again we have another formula, and that formula is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to Sn. Now let's put the value whatever we have. Okay, over here n by 2 2 into a equal to, we have in equation 1 6 minus 2n. 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1 into d equal to, we have 2 equal to, and Sn is minus 14. Now n by 2, and here 2 into 6 12 plus into minus 2 to the 4 n plus, and here also n into 2 2n plus into minus 2 ones are 2 equal to minus 14. Now n by 2, and here 12 minus 2 10 and minus 4n plus 2n. After subtracting we obtain minus 2n equal to minus 14. Again n into 10, 10n plus into minus n into 2n, 2n square, and here 2 ones are 2 equal to minus 14. Okay, now let's assume here 1. Now after doing cross multiplication, here we obtain 10n minus 2n square equal to minus 28. Now minus 2n square plus 10n, and this minus 28 also comes to LHS and becomes plus 28 and make it equal to 0. In this way, here we have obtained an equation. Okay, now let's proceed to next page. Okay, we have an equation minus 2n square plus 10n plus 28 equal to 0. Now, from this equation, minus 2 can be taken as common, then we obtain our new equation like this. And here, after taking minus 2 as a common, here remains n square minus into plus minus 2 5 ja 10 n again minus into plus minus 2 14 ja 28 equal to 0. Now, by splitting its middle term, we can easily solve this equation. So, n square minus, and this 5 can be written as 7 minus 2. 7 2 is 14 and 7 minus 2, 5. N minus 14 equal to 0. Now, n square and minus into plus minus 7 into n, 7, and again minus into minus plus 2 into n, 2n minus 14 equal to 0. Now, from this pair, we can take n as a common, then here remains n minus 7 plus, and here 2 is common, and here remains n minus 2 7 ja 14 equal to 0. Now, n minus 7, n minus 7, so n minus 7 is common, then here remains n plus 2 equal to 0. Now, n minus 7 make it equal to 0, then we obtain n equal to plus 7. Again, n plus 2 make it equal to 0, then again we obtain n equal to minus 2. In this way, here we have obtained two values of n. But students, as we know, in an AP, the number of terms can never be negative. So here, our answer, that is, number of terms is 7. Now, by putting the value of n in equation 1, we can easily obtain a, that is first term. Okay, let's find over here. Okay, our first equation is here a equal to 6 minus 2n. A equal to 6 minus 2n. Now, 6 minus 2 into n equal to, we have just obtained 7. And here, minus 2 into 7 minus 14. Then 6 is subtracted from 14. Then we obtain a, that is first term is minus 8. This is our final answer.